You must have heard people say one pi is going to be listed at $25. Or better still, one pi is going to list at $89. And you also might have heard people say if you have 1,000 pi, then you are a millionaire. The big question is, will one pi be really worth $89 or one pi is going to be worth $0.4 as it is in the thumbnail? In this video, I'm going to give you education and an understanding on 3 things. Number 1, the details about the Pi Open Network launch. Number 2, the listing price prediction. And number 3, how to sell and buy Pi. Let's dive straight into them. Number 1, details about the Pi Open Network launch. The Pi Network released a memo on all their social media handles stating that they are going to launch their Pi Open Network on the 20th of February 2025 at 8 a.m. UTC, which is 9 a.m. Nigerian time. And just as we know, Pi has lasted for a very long period of time, precisely 6 years. And the Pi community is about 30 million people, and just about 10 million people have been able to do their KYC. And according to the Pi network, if you don't do your KYC, you are not going to get your Pi. To do your KYC is very simple. Just go to your Pi browser, head over to mainnet, and you provide all the information from number 1 to number 9. And that's all, and you'll be able to migrate your Pi from your Pi browser to your Pi wallet. Most people have been asking me if this is really the listing, but basically I don't really think this is the listing, because what Pi are trying to do is they are trying to have their own blockchain. For example, now you see the BTC has its own blockchain. You can remember the ICE project. Exactly what they did, they launched their own open network. That's the ICE open network, and that's exactly what the Pi team is going to be doing on the 20th of February. But nevertheless, let's still watch and see how it goes. Number 2 is the listing price prediction. There has been a rumor that the price of one Pi is going to be $89. And if you go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see that. And that is called the IOU, which is the IOU. IOU in crypto is a situation where an exchange issues prices that traders can be able to buy and sell in anticipation of the actual token release. And this is normally done before the official token is being launched. I believe this is clear enough. So anybody that is telling you that one Pi is going to be $89, don't believe that person. I'm going to prove it to you from here. So I'm simply just going to head over to my calculator right now. The listing price of a particular token is the market capitalization divided by the total supply. But in a case where there is circulating supply, then the listing price is going to be the market capitalization divided by the circulating supply. And the market capitalization simply means the money that the project has been able to raise for that particular airdrop. Whereas the total supply is all the token that has been supplied or that has been released. And in the last memo that the Pi team released, they told us that the total supply is 100 billion token. Now, for all those people that are saying one Pi is going to be $89, for the listing price of one Pi to be $1, that means the Pi team needs to raise a market capitalization of $100 billion, which is impossible. That is for $1. So let's say the Pi network, they're able to raise a market capitalization of $100 million. So that would be 100 million. So that's going to be $100 million divided by 100 billion tokens. Can you see that the listing price is going to be 0.001? What this means is that for one Pi token to be able to be 0.01, the Pi team needs to raise a market capitalization of $1 billion. So I'm just going to come here and add 1 0. If they raise $1 billion with a total supply of 100 billion tokens, then the listing price of one Pi is going to be 0.01. So let's say they raise a market capitalization of $10 billion. So I'm just going to come and add 1 0 here. This is going to give us $0.1. All those people that are saying one Pi is going to be at $89, are you seeing the possibility of that thing never coming to pass? The range of the listing price of one Pi token is going to be $0.1 to about $0.4. So for this to be $0.4, that means they're going to raise $40 billion. And for me, this seems very fixable. Don't be deceived by all those people telling you that one Pi is going to be $89. It is not going to happen. Nevertheless, I want you to let me know what you think is going to be the listing price of one Pi. Do you agree with me that the price of one Pi is going to be $0.4, or do you think it's going to be more? And if you think it's going to be more, what's your reason? Drop all your reactions in the comment section. And the number 3, which is the last section, is how to sell and buy Pi. Before you can be able to sell Pi, you should have done your KYC and you should have migrated your Pi from your Pi browser to your Pi wallet. This is very, very important. So the moment you go to your maintenance checklist and you do from number 1 to number 9, they're going to take 14 days, and after 14 days, they will send your Pi to your Pi wallet. Then you're going to tap on your migration in your Pi wallet and you'll see when they're going to release your Pi, thereby seeing the Pi that's going to be in the available balance and see the ones that they're going to lock. Currently now, you cannot be able to sell your Pi. If you want to sell your Pi, you need to sell your Pi to a vendor. That's by P2P. And if you also want to buy Pi, you need to buy Pi from a vendor. When it comes to buying Pi, I always say buy from someone you trust. Trust is the crucial key here. Most people tell me how they've been scammed. They sent Pi to a vendor. The vendor did not give them back the Pi, and the vendor did not give them money for the Pi. That is very pathetic, but you need to know that the street is not friendly. And in this period, a whole lot of persons are going to lose their Pi. And that's the reason why I'm actively buying and selling Pi, Sidra, USDT, Solana, Telegram Stars, Telegram Premium, Tone, plus all gas fees and all cryptocurrencies. So if you're ready to sell your Pi or you're ready to buy your Pi, then tap on the link in the video description. Join my WhatsApp group. I am the admin there. DM me and let's do business. When it comes to selling Pi, this is the strategy I would give and recommend to anyone. Let's say you have 1,000 Pi. Sell half of that Pi, which is 500 Pi via P2P right now. That's going to give you within 500,000 to 750,000 or more. And that's over $800. Then you cannot keep the other 500 Pi. So just in the case where you're dreaming and hoping and the Pi of one price actually goes to $89, then you're able to now sell all your 500 Pi. And that's going to give you about $44,500. You dey whine. And one last thing I'll always say, on the listing day, ensure you sell all your Pi because there's going to be a rapid dumping. Once you sell all your Pi, definitely the Pi is going to dip. And once it dips, you can use some of your USDT and buy back a whole lot of Pi. That is the strategy that I've always been using and I will recommend for everybody. So that's it for this particular video. The goal of my YouTube channel is to give you education and an understanding on cryptocurrency and airdrop, thereby positioning you for financial gains. And on this channel, we talk about everything that has to do with making money. So if you're interested in making money, do what to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video updates. Also do what to join our WhatsApp community, link in the video description, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.